day and it's Christmas Eve, as you know. Wow, I should stop saying that. Why am I walking around? God, I feel like there's a random boost of energy in me. Oh, I'm doing a sitting down video as well. Okay, so you will have seen the title is Crazy Animal Sounds. Crazy animals. Now, there are quite a few animals. I have no idea what noise they make. Like a zebra. Zebra. Okay, and I'm going to find out what noise a zebra makes. Because, like, who knows this? Okay, I found a video. Oh my god. Okay, this is it. We're finding out what noise a zebra makes. Come on. They sound like cows. Whoa, there's a lot of zebras. Oh god. Oh god, there's a lot of zebras. Have a look. I mean, look at all of those zebras. Zebra, zebra. Yes, I know. Damn, it's not on fire. Look at them. Poke. Okay, so the next animal, we're going to have a look at what noise a platypus makes. This is going to be so funny. Sounds like someone farting. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I've been joined with Samuel here. And his doggy. So say hello. Hello. Okay, and we've been looking at animal sounds, Samuel. Oh, don't pinch me. Okay, do you want to find out what sound a penguin makes? Come on then.
I don't want a sandwich. He doesn't want a sandwich. I only want dog treats. I want to eat dog treats.
Whoa. Okay, let's find out what this is the last sound. Okay, we're gonna find out what sound a penguin makes. Wait, you can take a look at this penguin in a minute. It's very cute. Okay, look at this penguin. Very cute.
I want to.
Okay, say bye.
Bye.
See you later.
See you later.
Maybe for another video later then.
Yeah.
Yeah. When we go to McDonald's.
Yeah,
If
bye.
I get dressed.